They've been surprised today by the sound of a tornado siren.
Well, those sirens were being tested in preparation for severe weather season. Naja Sherman looks into how well those sirens protect you when severe weather hits.
If you depend solely on tornado sirens to warn you of danger, you're taking a risk. Emergency officials say the sirens are not guaranteed to save you.
Blaring tornado sirens across Kansas and Missouri. Community preparedness workers ran a test to make sure they're ready for severe weather season.
Yeah, they're loud.
Olathe resident Mary Tice and her husband know the sound of sirens well. They've lived down the street from one since the 70s and say it's a sound you can't ignore.
They're pretty loud and clear, and I know what they are.
But what happens when severe weather strikes and the sirens don't sound? So far, officials say the test identified 2 tornado sirens that didn't work, and all the reports aren't in yet, so that number could grow.
We wouldn't say they're ineffective. They have a specific purpose, and that's outdoor notification. We always want people to think about the fact that there's a spectrum of ways to receive emergency notification.
Assistant Director of Community Preparedness Adam Crow says during severe weather season, people should monitor weather warnings from a variety of sources and don't depend solely on the sirens.
We definitely don't want people to think of the sirens as their one and only way to get notification, especially in modern times when buildings are built with thicker walls and multi-pane windows. Sometimes it's hard to hear it inside.
The Tice family says over the years, the siren near their house has done its job. But it's good to know there are other resources out there to protect them.
Officials warn tornado sirens are only outdoor warning systems and not designed to hear in your home. According to the National Weather Service, the peak season for tornadoes is April through June. Naja Sherman, NBC Action News.